What's up, Trail Trash? Welcome or welcome back. All right, so I've been running my Starlink Mini on my spare tire for a while now. No protection, just raw dogging it. As you can see, it's starting to show it. Sun, dust, mud, rocks, vibrations, it's taking a beating. So today, we're gonna fix that. Now, I've done a ton of Starlink Mini videos, battery setups, mounts, power options, but the one thing I really haven't talked about is protecting it. And if you're running yours on the outside of your rig, like on a roof rack or a tire mount, rooftop tent, it's constantly being exposed to all the elements, from the weather to just all the debris from driving down the roads or trails. So StarGear sent this out, and it's their silicone protective case for the Starlink Mini. And yeah, it's literally just a silicone case and a protective film for the front of it. But sometimes the simple stuff is what makes the biggest difference. Let's go ahead and take this out. And this is the piece you'll put on the top. I really like that because the way this tire mount is, it sits in there like so, and then it's just plexiglass over the top here, and then I've got a corner in each, or a screw in each corner, and that holds it down, which it has protected it, but dust still gets under here on the face of it. So I'm going to clean this and put this one on. And I want to show you just in the back side, this is where it sits on the tire mount, and that's what's causing the damage here. It's not terrible, but it's wear and tear. But with this from StarGear, I plan on that, taking care of that. Now, this is not going to make it bulletproof, but it is going to cover all of the edges and the backside. Right now, we're just going to go ahead and place it in the sleeve and show you how it fits. And it's just like like your cell phone case. You just pop it on, and it's good and flexible. It's not too flexible. It's not so flexible that it feels thin. The actual sleeve itself it feels thick and really nice. It's going to help on all the vibrations. And oh, that's really, it fits perfect. This is going to be perfect for the way I use it. But first, I need to put this on. And I may have to take it out of the sleeve. I do. So we'll pop this out real quick. And I want to clean that before I peel and stick it. So let me get something and clean that. I'm just wiping this with a rinseless car wash solution that I keep. And all it is DI water and it's like a non-soapy type solution. And I just really want to get any kind of dirt and dust off the surface there. This will line it up. There it is, perfect. You just got to line it up. I thought I had it lined up here, and then I saw some white there. And I'm digging this black. I really like that. And it's got a little bit of an air pocket, but try to work that out. Yep, and just work them out. Try to get it to the side there. You can, shortest route possible. And you will work it out. So no air pocket. Here's one there. You can see it chasing it. Here we go. A little bit. There we go. All right. One there. All right. So all the air bubbles are out. And that's what it looks like now. Now I can put it back in to the sleeve. It will only go one way. You got, I call it a triangle. And you just pop it in. Pop all your corners. Pull it up like so. Flex it into place. And that is it. Really needed this. I wish I would have got it when I first got my Starlink, but I was like, I don't need it. I don't need it. But over time, I realized I did need it. Also in the box is a StarGear card, and I just wanted to go ahead and let you know there is a 6-month warranty for quality related issues. Okay, so I want to let you know there is a 6-month warranty for quality related issues. After that, they will just replace it if there's any issues with it. Also, they have a 30-day money-back guarantee. So for any reason, if you don't like it, your product, just send it back and you'll be get a full refund for any reason. And then you have 24-hour support. Pretty decent for a company. But let me, I want to show you this. If you have a peak dew battery or something like that, you can still use it. You just plug it in there and then snap it into place. So it still fits with your case on. And this is how I use it at work most of the time, is just with one of these on, or I have it plugged into a power station. So if you keep your Starlink Mini inside your vehicle or inside a case all the time, this probably isn't for you. But if you have it mounted outside like I do, or where it's always in the elements, something like this is perfect to protect it from just that normal wear and tear. I'm going to keep running this and see how it holds up long term with the heat and the weather and just all of the elements. If it starts falling apart or doing something weird, I'll let y'all know. I'd like to thank StarGear for sending me the protective sleeve out. If you're in the market for any other Starlink Mini products or Starlink products, check out StarGear.com. They have very reasonable pricing and a lot of quality products on their website. Just check them out if you're in the market for any kind of accessories. I really appreciate you watching. If you have any questions, comments, or anything, please drop them below. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please do so. It helps me out. And until next time, stay trashy.